Now let us disassemble the KT610. Remove the battery. Remove 5 cap screws by using tweezers sequentially from the top. Remove 6 screws. Remove the rear case from the cap receptacle. After separating the main connector, remove the PCB from the front. After separating the 2 mega camera connector, remove the sub-PCB by separating it from the board-to-board connector. Remove the camera bracket installed on the sub-PCB by separating it from the left hook. Remove the 2 mega camera from the camera bracket. After separating 2 hooks on the top of shield can, remove the shield can from the main PCB. Remove the main keypad from the front cover. Disassemble the front cover by opening it from the bushing hinge. Remove the bushing hinge by pushing it towards the inside. Remove the 4 folder cap screws by using tweezers. Remove 4 screws on the folder. Start disassembling from the top of upper cover. Remove the folder keypad. Remove the screws for fixing the key PCB. Remove the key PCB by lifting it from the right side. One thing to be noted here is that it can be bent, or the adhesive power of the double-sided tape on the surface can be weakened if the key PCB is lifted using strong force. Hence, remove the key PCB slowly by using tweezers. Remove the VGA camera on the FPCB. Remove the receiver and speaker on the top and the speaker and motor at the bottom by using tweezers. Remove the LCD module from the lower cover by lifting it slowly from the top side. Remove FPCB from the LCD module. Now the disassembly of KT610 has been completed. Now let us assemble the KT610. Connect the board-to-board connector between LCD module and FPCB. Connect the VGA camera on the FPCB. Pull out the FPCB of connected module toward the lower hole and let the LCD module seat on the lower. After seating the LCD module on the lower, install VGA, speaker, motor, and receiver. Connect the key PCB appropriate for the position of guide boss at the bottom. Fasten the screws for fixing the key PCB. After connecting the keypad on the folder of upper assembly, assemble it to the lower. Fasten 4 folder screws. Fasten 4 folder cap screws. Assemble by pushing the bushing hinge slowly. After assembling the front cover toward the hinge, assemble the bushing side. Install the main keypad onto the front cover. Assemble the shield can by connecting it from the bottom side of main PCB. Connect the 2 mega camera connector. Connect and assemble the sub-PCB and camera bracket from the left hook. Connect the bracket and assembled sub-PCB with the main PCB starting from the board-to-board connector. Seat the 2 mega camera stably on the bracket. Seat the assembled PCB stably on the front cover. Connect the main board-to-board connector. Connect the side key to the front. Connect the rear cover. Fasten 6 screws. Fasten 5 cap screws. Care should be taken so that the black cap is connected on the top, the transparent one on the middle, and the white at the bottom. Connect the battery. Switch on the power.